Hello, today I'm going to make a scratch game and I am going to make a simple game. So first we need to add the sprite. So first we have the scratch cat actually here, and just don't click this and go here and click add the paint. Now we have our new sprite. Now I want to make my first character. I just make it like a box. And just click it here and then click it here. Oopsie, I need to make it like this. And then make an outline colors, and then here we can get curve. I'll make it curve, and then this it will have a curvy end at each end. And I want to add something here. I want to make it curve also, and make it like this. And then delete this one. And delete this one too. And then same for the other side. Make it curve again, and then curve it again, and then curve like this. Delete this, delete this, then delete this too. And now I think I'm going to make this curve, and then black outline. I want to add the eyes also actually, so I will put a white color and just make a circle, but I don't want to use anything, so I will put an eye here. And then it become one eye. And then now I want to add another circle at here. Black color. So this is our alien character. And then now let's go to the code. First, I want it to be more smaller. So I will set at the looks. We click the looks and then set size to. Now it's 100%. I want maybe like around 50. As this. Now let's add the crystal. I want to just choose a sprite. Okay, so I already add a new sprite. Now let's make this character can move. So let's put a forever here. Now let's use if, and then with the key pressed and sensing, and then let's make it the right arrow, then change X by 10. It can move right. Now I want it so if the key left is pressed, it can also move. So I am just gonna duplicate it. And now I'm gonna use the left arrow here. Change X by -10. Okay. So now let's try it out. So we're here. This. And then now I'm just gonna make the backdrop first. And then I'll just make it the ground brown. Like this. Okay. And so now I'm going to make another one. Now I'm going to make a square around here. Then put it here. Now I'll convert to bitmap first. So I'm gonna make the color dark. Wait. I'll just put it like this, and then make it like a light one. Like this. So now I want it, so now every time it can be dragged, and then if we start it will just go there again, and it can be dragged. So to make it can't be dragged and always there, we'll just set this at the forever, so it will always stay there. Oopsie, I mean set this one. And now, as you see, it's hard to drag it, and then yeah. And now we want to set every time it will start, it will always start here. We'll put it on top of the forever, and let's try it. So let's always start there, even though before we start here and then we start again, it will always go there. Now we want this gem to fall down. So there's a WinFat cake. I'm just gonna hide this right because we will use clones for this time. So for this, I am going to make it just easy. So forever, and then wait like 1.5 8 seconds, I will create a clone. So create clone of myself because it will create clone of the sprite. And now we'll always create a clone. And so when I start as a clone, this is when it starts as it is as the clone will show, and then set what I will glide 1/6 to random position, but it will always, wait, I'll show it first, always start, but its Y is later will be always here, so it will always spawn anywhere, but it will always spawn on top. Now I'm gonna put it Y185, and then I will repeat until, need to repeat until, so we'll change Y by 10, I think. Y by 10. Yeah, but will not show first when it starts. I'm gonna put it at the before the show, so I'll spawn there, but still touching sprite 1. Maybe like 10. Yeah, so but we won, so I will always check. So if it is, because this is not a sprite, so we can't, if it hits it, so I am going to check if it's touching, but I'm gonna put an OR first, and then I'm gonna duplicate this code, because so if touching the color, this color, it will, and another OR, I think, or touching the color, this color, the dark brown, or the orange. Okay, so now I will delete its clone. Now I'll wait, and it disappears. But I want before it disappears, it just like crack. So I'm gonna duplicate it. So this, I will put this here. And then rotate it this here. And then just put it like this, and then and just delete off the other parts. Then I'll just need this small pieces, and then I'll just copy this and paste it so it looks like it cracks. And now I'm just gonna rename this first. So before it created its clone, it needs to switch the costume to crystal cracks and then wait just like only 0.1. So when I start as a clone, it will first costume to crystal. On the crystal and crack. Okay, good. So now I want this if. We're gonna use an if touching again, but this one. Sprite 1 or our main character. I will delete this clone and then we're gonna use a variable called score. And then we'll just change the score by 1 first. So there's our score, so it doesn't score and cracks. We get it, it doesn't cracks, and we add our points. Okay, nice. And now I'm gonna use it, go to backdrops, and then at the top I will add a connect the vector first, and then I'll write score. Score, and then I want my writing to be black. Line this here, and then just write something again. And then I'll write this thing, and then put it here. And then the last thing I want to do is color the back. Color this. So to make a large square, just gonna go to back layer, and then I'm gonna make it blue. I'm going to put some trees, I think. Not gonna paint, so I'm just gonna choose a sprite, and then I'll just do 3. So I'm just gonna use trees. And now I am going to copy this. Trees A, I'm gonna copy and then close it, and then I'll just paste. I'm going to add maybe also bushes. Gonna search bush. I think there's no maybe like grass. No, so I'm just gonna something like on the animals. I'm gonna use a grasshopper. Copy and then paste. And now let's make it smaller. Delete the spread and then paste it again. Here. And now let's try that. Okay, nice. And take it. Okay. And now I think we're finished. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe.